See, we so many times try to forget about this thing called joy. I did a workshop about 1.5 years ago down in Delaware in front of 450 teachers. Believe it or not, I got off topic. I know that's very strange for me, right? I don't know what I was talking about. Somebody mentioned something. 400 teachers, a room is like 4 times as big. And all of a sudden I'm just like, all right, fine. I start cracking jokes. I have a whole time, like a mushroom walks into a bar, bartender says, I can't serve you. Mushroom says, well, I'm a fun guy. You know? And he's like, you know what? I don't like this place. I'm going to get out of here. There's not much room anyway. Horse walks into a bar, bartender says, why the long face? Skeleton walks into a bar, says, can I get a beer and a towel? I love how some of you are not getting it, but then you'll be driving like, towel! For some of you deep thinkers, a bear walks into a bar, his bartender, can I get a nice cold beer? And the bartender looks at him and goes, sure, buddy, but why the big pause? Exactly. Well, okay, so, but do you get what I'm saying? And I lost total track. And you know what? The whole point of that was I went and I stopped and I looked at everybody. And I got 400 people looking at me. And I say to myself, first of all, oh boy. Inner voice. Second of all, I go, you know what? Let me just say something. When I'm done being up here having fun, I'm done speaking. When I'm done in a classroom and I'm not having fun anymore, I'm done. It doesn't make sense for me to do anything that I don't love to do. And that's what this whole entire point is about. It's about bringing that joy out of you. It's about going into your classroom and going, hey, how's it going? And then just walking by. And the kids look at you and they fall in love with you again. You should have like a rule, every like half hour the school should stop and do like monkey noises. How many of you see a kid acting up, but he's not being disrespectful, but he's acting up and getting your attention and you kibosh it? Why? Take a break. I mean, go have a cigarette, whatever, while the kid's like he's running the class for you. Especially, remember those candy cigarettes you used to have? Oh, yeah. The ice cream truck would run by and you'd be all cool, and you unwrap it and you go, and then the sugar dust go like that, like great. And then you try it when you're 16 and mom's not looking, and you go, that's not the same thing. I have them put their hands in their stomachs. Everybody put your hands in your stomachs. And I have them doing belly breathing. I want you to take a deep breath in. Try not to raise your chest up and down or your shoulders up and down. Try to just focus on... It looks weird, but it works. Yoga breathers, singers. Ready? Everyone, 3 deep breaths in. In through your nose like you're smelling flowers. Out of your mouth like you're blowing out a birthday cake. 2 more. Breathe in. And breathe out. 1 more. Breathe in. And breathe out. How many of you after 10 seconds just feel a little more relaxed? Just a little bit. How many of you actually take 10 seconds out of your day to breathe? So now the last thing we're going to do is I want you to try the mantra of the company. It's called the schwa. What you're going to do is I want you to take a deep breath in, make your belly as big as you can, and go schwa. Now you're laughing, you're giddy. Somebody give me a look like what just happened. Okay. But here's the thing, it doesn't matter. As long as you think it's silly, when you're having a day where somebody's pushing your buttons, all you need, even think about it. Ready? Everyone do it again. Breathe in. And go schwa.